pandemic COVID-19 outbreak. So we are learning the parliamentary system, the union government. So Indian contribution have been awesome in democracy, and Uttar Pradesh laid such a strong foundation. So today we will assess what we have acknowledged to India being a citizen of this respective state, that is Uttar Pradesh, fifth largest economy. COVID-19 pandemic spread have delivered us with the brilliant opportunity to learn digitalized. So today, academic learning on this platform will be the most interesting fact of information which I have gathered from my previous experience in research in the field of political science. In the state Uttar Pradesh, I have collected all the information about the state. So today I will discuss one of it, and later I will keep on discussing about Uttar Pradesh. Prime Minister election victory. This state has the most populous state and marked this India number of prime ministers. Since the first one to till date, its first prime minister is Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, who have contributed his services in this country's development since 1947 to 1964, and he was elected as MP from Phulpur. Here I have shared his constituency picture too. India was blessed with him as a first prime minister, and he was a representative member of parliament from Uttar Pradesh. His legacy have been continued in the form of another prime minister elected by the Uttar Pradesh state only. It was the Allahabad, which is now known as Prayagraj, and the name of the prime minister is Lal Bahadur Shastri. The next legacy also came in the fate of Uttar Pradesh to mark the first female prime minister of the country, PM Indira Gandhi. She have been elected from Rai Bareli. Here is the picture adjoining to her image of with Uttar Pradesh constituency Rai Bareli. She was brilliantly known for her contribution in this democracy. PM Charan Singh was the another great promising leader who have emerged as member of parliament from Bagpat and became the prime minister of this country. Indian state Uttar Pradesh is the fifth largest state economy and delivered number of prime ministers from its own state territories. Chaudhry Charan Singh was the one of them. Now, the legacy of Amethi was marvelously kept by the contribution of PM Rajiv Gandhi, who have transformed his journey from a pilot to a politician. The next one marked the Fatehpur as his elected territory, and the name of the prime minister is Vishwanath Pratap Singh. And Fatehpur have been the location on Uttar Pradesh which marked him as a prime minister. PM Chandrasekhar have inherited the legacy, and then also it is Uttar Pradesh who represented itself on the union government map, and the marked constituency was Balia, where MP was selected or elected named as Chandrasekhar. The next remarkable personality which came out from the Ganga Yamuni Tehzeeb city known as Lucknow, the state capital of Uttar Pradesh, and the prime minister was Atal Bihari Vajpayee, who have marked Indian history with great adjoining neighboring countries' relation. And the legacy of BJP was laid by him, and which is continued by Narendra Modi. and Prime Minister Modi. So from 2014 to till date, he have marked this India and world with a great contribution, and he have been the representative of Varanasi. So hereby in concluding, we can say that it's Uttar Pradesh who have contributed brilliantly in this country's development in union government. Today we have learned about the prime ministers who have been elected from Uttar Pradesh and has been the MP of the state prior becoming to prime minister. So thank you all for visiting. So